Success doesn't require perfection, just the right ingredients. Let's explore the simple steps every beginner can take to start achieving greatness. Here's the truth. Success isn't about luck or even raw talent. It starts with your mindset and a handful of simple habits. If you're just starting out, a new business, a personal goal, your self-improvement journey, these ingredients are your foundation. First, discipline. Show up, even when you don't feel like it. Set small daily goals. Keep your promises to yourself. Every little win adds up. Second, patience. Overnight success is a myth. Progress takes time. Setbacks are part of the journey. Slow growth is still growth. Third, belief. Believe you can improve, even when results aren't showing yet. Trust your process. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Fourth, focus. Don't get distracted by others. Stay in your lane and move forward. Consistency beats intensity every time. Fifth, resilience. When you stumble, get back up. Failure is feedback. Use it to get better. Ready to grow? Learn? Build your path to greatness. You don't need to be an expert. Start with the right foundation. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, share, comment one ingredient you believe is key. Success is built step by step. Which matters most? Discipline, patience, belief. Share your thoughts. Let's inspire each other.